Greeting, Ascending Souls. I am Coach Renee, and welcome to a mini recalibration session. Take the time to find a comfortable space while we cleanse this space for the session. This is an energetic session, so your permission is required. I will ask that you give permission by way of saying yes in the comments section if you consent to this session. Find a comfortable space where you can be undisturbed, a comfortable place to sit with your back against the chair, or lay flat with your legs slightly apart. Set your intentions and begin to relax. But above all, be mindful of your breathing. Be sure to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth.